I invite you to create beautiful Christmas bell with me. Hello, it's Emilia Sieradzan. Today I will be altering this gorgeous wooden element and create a lovely small gift or home decor with it. To start, I traced my shape into the paper. This is the Nutcracker collection from Stamperia. And then I will prepare my base. The base has two layers, the main shape and then the frame which goes on top. Today I will paint the top part and adhere the paper and the embellishments to the bottom part. This gorgeous bell is one of the shapes I designed for Stamperia. There are other available. Please check on Stamperia website, and they are all very simple shapes, easy to use, easy to create a lovely gift with them, and I will be sharing tutorials for each shape. To adhere the paper, use gel medium or strong glue, and then before adhering the top frame, I'm going to add a little texture to it. I use the stamp from Nutcracker collection. It has some flowers on the side with a text, so I'm just going to use that part where the text is, and I will stamp here and there on my frame. Very delicate stamping, and I just press lightly, and I don't want the whole text be visible, so I'm just using my hand to press, and then I will add darker color on the edges of my frame before attaching it to the base. To adhere the frame to the base, again you can use gel medium or strong craft glue. Be sure to leave it for a few minutes before moving forward with embellishments. I prefer to be sure that the glue is dry. In the meantime, I will prepare my elements for the composition. This time I'm using beautiful rocking horse. This is also cut out of the paper collection, and I cut out little elements, very little leaves, small clock and wheels which will go above the horse. This project is very simple, anyone can do it, but it is also gorgeous, and I'm sure person who received that would appreciate that this is handmade. It can be hung on the tree or somewhere in the house, or it can be you can give it instead of the Christmas card, as at the back you can attach the paper and write your Christmas wishes. I hope you enjoy those simple projects. I want to share with you that you can use only few elements and still create something absolutely gorgeous. Thank you very much for joining me today. Please let me know if you like these videos, and have a lovely creative day. Bye bye!